It always seems impossible until it's done. Nothing's impossible. Nelson Mandela, a man of quiet dignity, deep humanity, and a mentor to generations, continued to believe that miracles are possible and that we can together make a better world. A very hearty morning to all. This is Atifa from class 10. I would like to welcome our ever-supportive dynamic principal, Dr. P. Saru Lakshmi ma'am, dedicated teachers and my friends for this morning assembly. Today, let us remember and celebrate the life and achievements of a great leader, Nelson Mandela. Today, the world remembers him for his struggle and leadership. He inspired many of us through his life, struggle, words and deeds. And let us move towards thought of the day. Here is Purnima with thought of the day.
Everyone, today's thought, what counts in life is not the fact that we have lived. It is what difference we have made to the lives of others that will determine the significance of the life we live. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Purnima. Moving forward, I call upon Nisarga for news headlines.
Morning everyone. Today's news headlines. International news. MH17 passengers' relatives mark 10 years since plane was shot down over Ukraine, killing 298. National news. Law Ministry pitches for sunset clause in certain bills, makes it part of 100 days agenda. State news. TDP leaders urge government to focus on irrigation and employment opportunities. Weather forecast. Scattered showers, high 26 degrees Celsius, low 22 degrees Celsius. Thank you.
Thank you, Nisarga. Mandela devoted his life for the service of humanity. As a human rights lawyer, a prisoner of conscience, an international peacemaker, and the first democratically elected president of Free South Africa. And the purpose of this day is to bring attention to the legacy of Nelson Mandela. Let us know more what is the importance of this day. For that, I would like to call Nitya.
Importance of the day. Every year on 18 July, the world comes together to honor the life and legacy of Nelson Mandela, a titan of human rights and a symbol of hope. Mandela Day is a truly global event transcending borders and cultures. It's more than a commemoration. It's an international call to action, urging individuals and communication worldwide to dedicate 67 minutes to serving others. This year, the theme "It's Still in Our Hands to Combat Poverty and Inequality" resonates deeply with Mandela's lifelong commitment to social justice. The 67 minutes is directly linked to Nelson Mandela's life of service. It represents the 67 years he dedicated to public service in the fight against apartheid and for racial equality in South Africa. Thank you.
Thank you, Nitya. Nelson Mandela famously said, "What counts in life is not the mere fact that we have lived. It is what difference we have made to the lives of others that will determine the significance of the life we lead." Now, here comes Hima with amazing facts.
Good morning everyone. Today's fact. Giraffe tongue can be 20 inches long. Human teeth is the only part in the human body which cannot heal itself. Australia is wider than moon. Venus is the only planet which moves clockwise. According to Nelson Mandela, people were the greatest wealth of the nation. Thank you. Have a tremendous day.
Thank you, Hima. Now, here comes Varshini C with some quiz questions.
Everyone, I am Rashmi C from grade 10. Today's quiz questions. First question. When is the World Nelson Mandela Day celebrated? Option A, 18th July. Option B, 12th July. So the answer is 18th July. When was Nelson Mandela born? Option A, July 18, 1918. Option B, November 20, 1915. That is July 9, 1918. When was national greatest wealth according to Nelson Mandela? Its people or its diamond and gems? The answer is its people. How many years did he spend in prison? Option A, 32 years. Option B, 27 years. Correct answer. The answer is 32 years. What was Mandela fighting against? Option A, apartheid. Option B, poverty. Wrong answer. The answer is apartheid. Thank you.
Mandela Day is about more than just a celebration of a legendary man's life and legacy. Dear all, we have the ability and the responsibility to make the world a better place for everyone in it. As we have come to the end of assembly, I would like to thank our principal, Dr. P. Saru Lakshmi ma'am, to give our class a wonderful opportunity. Thank you, ma'am. Next, I would like to thank our beloved teachers who supported and guided us. Last but not the least, I would like to thank my fellow friends for their valuable presence. Once again, thank you one and all.